and I will show you how to make funnel cake. So, I already did the mixing part.
Which is?
This is the cake mix with water. So, watch me whip. Watch me make it. Okay, wait. Serious time. Let me whip this into the perfect batter mix. So, why do we call it a funnel cake? Because if you cook pancake,
Ano daw?
naka-video ba talaga yan? Ano, masalita na. You use this, a funnel, hence the name. So, this might take a while, but you can't rush perfection. Mix until no lumps are seen. Well, I can see lumps. In funnel cake, you can put mangoes or bananas. And, can't forget ice cream. In this case, we're gonna use vanilla ice cream. Sige, okay na. Mamaya lulutuin ko.